Ireland made a horrible, bigoted, anti-Semitic choice in the Second World War that continued from 1939 until the day before Gaza. Before a single soldier ever entered Gaza, Ireland was the most anti-Semitic, anti-Israel, anti-Zionist country in all of Europe. Now, you said that was the last question, but I'd like to ask you and your viewers a question, if it's okay. And that is this. I have a great many friends in America who are Irish Americans, and I love them and they love me. And they are the most supportive people of the Jewish community and of Israel. Why is it that Ireland itself as a country has become the most anti-Zionist, the most anti-Israel, the most anti-Semitic country in all of Europe? Exporting singers like the one that was just exported, who was yelling and screaming, death, death to the IDF. What is it about Ireland which makes it different than every other country in Europe in terms of the rampant anti-Semitism?
I will answer that question as best I can, Alan, because you've asked it. Firstly, the death to the IDF was a British artist. He wasn't Irish, but you are referring to the Irish artist Kneecap, who didn't say
That's
that.
right.
They often use the chant "Free Palestine." I don't believe for a moment that Irish people believe themselves to be anti-Semitic, but I do believe that they are strongly against Israel's action in general in Gaza, largely because I think
It
as a
happened well before.
post-colonial state ourselves, I think they identify with the Palestinians greatly.
Ireland was the most anti-Israel country in all of Europe on October 6th and on September 6th. And there is a long history of anti-Semitism. Remember, too, Ireland is the only country in Europe, a Western country, that refused to support the British and American war against Nazism. There's always been a history of anti-Semitism. Yes, there was
That's actually not
mayor.
true.
Yes, there was a mayor,
Alan, just
but
Ireland was neutral during the Second
that
World War, as
being,
were other countries
being
in
neutral
Europe.
being neutral for Hitler is outrageous. And it wasn't like Switzerland, which had no choice because it was surrounded. This was a question of choice. And Ireland made a horrible, bigoted, anti-Semitic choice in the Second World War that continued from 1939 until the day before Gaza. Before a single soldier ever entered Gaza, Ireland was the most anti-Semitic, anti-Israel, anti-Zionist country in all of Europe.